Hello, and welcome back for another video. This is the second video in the mini-series, and it'll be going over how to organize folders as part of the archiving process for the OAC Historical Data and Reproducibility Project. Usually, researchers will send Excel files of their data, raw and/or analyzed, and an accompanying text or PDF file of their published or non-published works. Few researchers will send code files, but I will go over what to do in the event that you receive all file types in future videos. When receiving data, the first step in the organization process is to have a designated folder for all researchers, as you can see here, and having separate subfolders within each of these main folders. As a general naming convention for the folders, include the principal author's last name or first and last name, and the year of publication, or if unpublished, the date you received it. As an example, let's look through Jabir Husseini 2022-2023. We can see within the folder there are subfolders for the two different publications sent. Let's look at 2022 as an example. We can see that within this subfolder there are text files, CSV files, and code files. The text files are copies of the CSV and code files to ensure accessibility in the event that people may not have the coding software available to them. Additionally, there is an Excel metadata template which you can fill in to ensure that you have all the data required to ingest into Borealis. But I will provide more details about the metadata template and how to fill it out in video 6 of the mini-series. An important thing to keep in mind when naming these files is to ensure they do not exceed 25 characters, that's without spaces, as Borealis will not ingest. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video in the mini-series, which will go over how to set up data files and convert to CSV format.